Activating your Dubai Islamic Bank debit card is a straightforward process that can be done via phone, online banking, or an ATM. Here's how to activate your DIB debit card. Phone activation. Call customer service. Dial the Dubai Islamic Bank customer service number provided on the card's documentation or found on the bank's website. Follow prompts. Follow the automated prompts to connect to a customer service representative or use the IVR system for card activation. Provide details. Provide the necessary details such as your card number, account number, and any other required personal information to verify your identity. Confirm activation. Once your identity is verified, your card will be activated. The representative may confirm the activation and give further instructions. Online banking activation. Log into online banking. Visit the DIB online banking portal and log in with your credentials. Navigate to card services. Go to the card services or manage card section. Activate card. Select the option to activate your new debit card and enter the required card details. Confirm activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. ATM activation. Visit the DIB ATM. Go to the nearest Dubai Islamic Bank ATM. Insert card. Insert your new debit card into the ATM. Enter PIN. Enter the PIN provided with your card or a temporary PIN. Follow instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. The ATM may prompt you to change your PIN during the process.